So friends, isn't the story of the solar system amazing and exciting? In our solar system, the sun is only luminous. All other objects like planets, satellites, asteroids, comets are not self-luminous. As they revolve around the sun, we see them illuminated. The 9 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto are the dominant members of the solar system and orbit around the sun according to the same sequence. Our solar system consists of 9 planets, 91 satellites revolving around the planets, more than 1 lakh asteroids, meteors, comets, etc. Out of the 9 planets of the solar system, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can be seen with the unaided eye. But Uranus, Neptune, Pluto can be seen with a telescope only. In the solar system, all the planets make 2 types of movement, rotation and revolution. What is rotation? In the universe, every planet of our solar system rotates about an imaginary axis located within them. This rotation can be compared with a spinning top. But friends, don't start thinking that all planets have sharp points like spinning tops. So now, friends, did you understand what is rotation? What is revolution? Under the influence of the gravitational force of the sun, all the planets move around the sun in definite orbits. This motion is called revolution. But each planet has a specific period to complete orbital revolution. Friends, here you need to understand one thing, that in order to make timely revolution, the planets have to follow a specific law of the distance from the sun, whereas no such law exists regarding the rotation period. Friends, do you know that the orbits of revolution of Venus and Mercury are within the orbit of the Earth? So, they are called inner planets, and these inner planets show phases like the phases of the moon. The sun is very important for other members of the solar family. It contains 99% mass of the solar family. Also, it is the main source of energy. For the Earth, the amount of this energy is just in desired proportion, which keeps water in liquid state, which is essential for the origin and evolution of life on the Earth. Any variation in the proportion of solar radiation reaching the Earth would have reduced possibility of life on the Earth. As the sun is essential for the origin and evolution of life on the Earth, the sun has been considered to be respectable. From ancient time, we consider sun as a god and worship it.